Hi and welcome to the Figaro shop. We wanted to show you a complete restoration we've recently done of a Lapis grey Figaro. The first stage in the process is a full strip down, and you can see Elliot here taking the car right back to basics and assessing rust issues like the edge of the boot area here. We remove almost every component of the car as part of this, and many parts are actually re-chromed. We also do close examination of paintwork problems. You can see here the front bumper is not in a great condition on this car. Once the car is fully stripped down with all rust removed and repaired, it gets primed and then it goes into one of our paint booths for a full respray. After it's been painted, you can start to see a beautiful, better than new Figaro emerging. It goes to one of our specialist technicians who take an empty interior like this and completely transform it. You can see this car's had new Italian leather piped and fluted seats, a matching leather dash, and a brand new set of carpets. We also refurbished the engine bay so it looks perfect underneath the bonnet too. And you remember the rust on the edge of the boot? You can see here it's all been totally redone and is now looking factory fresh.
So we're on our final road test. Before we finish any of these builds, we do a massive quality check. So the guys will spend hours going over it. We've got a tick sheet. They'll check everything off, every part on the car, the bits we've worked on and the bits we haven't worked on, and we go out and do a really long road test. Now, it's a little bit like building a house. The last 10% is the worst bit of all. So I'm out driving the car today. I've realised the steering wheel's out, the windows aren't working properly, the clocks aren't working properly, and there is a massive rattle behind the dash. Now, this is the worst time to find it, but it's the only time you end up finding it because you can't drive it until now. So potentially we're going to have to take the whole dashboard back out, and this could really put a spanner in the works. So we're going to go back and the guys will get straight after these dashboard problems. This is why on some of these builds we literally in the past have worked till midnight before to get them right and get these last quality check bits done before the morning. Right, so let's have a look around the car, guys. So we are nearly ready. They're literally coming in later today. We managed to get everything done. Ant managed to fix everything. We've even got the clocks and the rev counter are all working again. There's Ant working away on the last bits, getting the clips in. I wanted to show you underneath the engine bay in this one because it looks lovely. You can't beat a lovely, pretty engine bay. Look at it, how cool it looks in there. They've got all of their new leather. It's all cleaned up now. So all of this looks lovely. Got all the new mats in. We're just getting through the very last bits.
So the only thing left for us to do is to cover the car up in anticipation of the customer coming to collect it. It's really satisfying to see a beautiful little Figaro like this, totally restored to its former glory and being driven away by happy owners. Thanks for watching.